With things that had changed so much over this past year, being able to, have somebody already have something in place that kind of knew how to market it, what kind of messaging should be sent. When it came to like the emails and the touches prior to the webinar, it was already easily set up with compliance. So it was a pretty quick compliance process, and just making sure that we were ultimately ready to go as soon as possible. I think that was the one thing that was most amazing, is how quickly we were up and running. It was actually extremely turnkey. That was the nice thing, I think, especially from a compliance standpoint. So knowing that they had already kind of pre-complied everything, so it was relatively quick. I didn't, have my staff, ultimately my marketing director dealt with them directly. I want to say within a matter of a week to 2 weeks, we were up and running. It was very fast. I think the webinars are almost like a good lead gen. It's another content provider. It's a way to touch people that isn't just an email. It isn't just social media. It's not just I'm going to an event. It's another way to drive people to learn about us, to see that we're an expert in the space, to see that we work with experts in the space. So having someone else who's kind of an expert in that space talk to our client base that we ultimately marketed to and say, hey, this is why this is an important thing to do, was great. In fact, we had a lot of people that raised their hand that I had brought it up to before, and they were now engaged in it. They understood, okay, you're right, I see the value of this tax planning and this tax strategy.